Welcome back. I'm gonna prepare a small dinner with one side using Italian frying peppers. I'm not gonna try to pronounce their actual names, but you can still find them if you Google Italian frying peppers. I'm gonna stuff them with ground beef. In this case, I chose the Wagyu ground beef. I mixed it in with peppers, salt, garlic, and coconut curry. I mixed it in real well. It's a little loose. It's not tight like a meatball, but it will do just fine. The entree will be what you would call filet mignon or the backstrap. I have them sitting in salt. Took them out of the fridge, put salt, and let them sit outside for about 15-20 minutes. I went in ahead and cut out the peppers, took out the extra stuff that's in the peppers and stuffed them in with my ground beef mixed up. And I'm going to start putting in the cheese, put mozzarella cheese, and place the top of the peppers back on. I'm going to put them in the oven, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. As you can see, the salt and the meat has kind of united in a way, and that means it's ready when you see the water. So I put black pepper, just salt, pepper, that's it. 2 minutes on each side on a frying hot skillet, really hot skillet. Flip them. This is what they look like. I don't want to overcook these because it's kind of dangerous because they'll dry on you. It's good enough. And I'm gonna make the sauce here for the steak: butter, garlic, basil, and rosemary. I put a little bit of coconut milk and heavy milk with the rest of the butter and some turmeric to get that color. As you can see, you drizzle that on both and it's looking delicious. It's gonna be a little watery because the meat, it has high fat content. It's based on your preference for the peppers, but look at that steak. It's medium rare. That's the way I like it. If you like yours a little bit done, just keep it on the pan a little bit longer. But that's the way I like it. I like it pink inside. It's beautiful.